believe the things I washed in my dishwasher today. This is a cleaning tips and hacks video, and in this one we're going to take a look at all the products that you can wash in your dishwasher besides your dirty dishes. So what can we put in the dishwasher? Let's quickly run through all the items, starting with a rather obvious one. You can put your dish scrubbing brushes and sponges in the dishwasher. These are products that can hold on to a lot of bacteria and germs because they are coming in contact with organic food products on a day-to-day basis. And if you really want to get them clean and sterilized, it is recommended that you occasionally put them in the dishwasher, and it's supposed to come out almost 99% free of any kind of bacteria and germs. In line with talking about products that can become breeding grounds for bacteria and germs, beauty products are next on the list, and these are some products that you can put in the dishwasher to ensure they come out clean and sterilized. Products such as your makeup sponges like these, which you use on a day-to-day basis, even your makeup brushes that you may use on a day-to-day basis, then products such as nail clippers that are made of metal, manicure pedicure kits that are again made of metal, or your dental kits made of metal can be easily and safely put in the dishwasher to ensure you get your products clean and safe to use. The dishwasher environment, which combines soap with hot water, is perfect for sterilizing and cleaning products simultaneously. So another set of products where you can ensure that they get clean and hygienic are the products that you find in your bathroom, such as your loofah. Over a period of time, loofahs collect a lot of germs, bacteria, dead skin cells, and all that gunk, which is very difficult to clean if you're doing it manually. So simply put it in the dishwasher and it will turn out to be hygienic and safe to use. Another set of products that you may find in the bathroom and is easy to clean in the dishwasher are products such as these. This is a ceramic soap holder and this is a brush holder. This collects soap bits and gunk over a period of time, making it difficult to clean manually. This one, on the other hand, is difficult to get into and clean the insides of. So both these products can be cleaned effectively and easily in the dishwasher. The next thing I found out quite by chance is that you can actually put some of your stone deco products in the dishwasher and they come out looking so clean. And I'm talking about products such as if you have stone marble coasters, they do get dirty over a period of time and you have your tea stains and whatnot on them. And when I've tried manually washing them, they never give me the same result as when I put them in the dishwasher. Another home decor product you can put in the dishwasher are products such as clay or ceramic aroma diffusers. Now these again can get rather difficult to clean because over a period of time you have your oil stains and build up here, you have your soot build up underneath. So instead of trying to manually wash these, simply put it in the dishwasher and have them squeaky clean. This home decor or home product is a rather surprising one. So you may be surprised, and I was too initially, but it makes a lot of sense. If you have glass lamps around your home, and especially if you have glass lamps near your kitchen, in the kitchen or in the dining area, over a period of time you may have noticed that they have this film of grease, grime that is settled on it, and it is quite difficult to clean. So you can simply take off the glass portion of the lamp like I have here. This is the glass globe, and you can put them in the dishwasher and you will get it really clean and good as new after the wash. Lastly, in the home decor segment, I always suggest and recommend that you give your vases an occasional wash in the dishwasher because, like I said again, because of the constant water and plants sitting in them, they have a thin film of algae, grime, dirt, whatnot, and putting them in the dishwasher ensures that you get sparkling clean vases each time. Moving on to kitchen products, there are products within the refrigerator that you can put in your dishwasher and avoid having to clean them by hand. Products such as these glass partitions can easily put in the dishwasher and have them squeaky clean after the wash and ready to use straight away as well. Typically, refrigerators also provide good quality plastic shelves, so even those can go into the dishwasher without creating any hassle for you. So the other kind of product that you find in the kitchen and I love washing in the dishwasher is or are this type of bottles and jars where you have your jams, pickles, and once you use the product, you have an empty bottle which you want to get it clean and nice so that you can reuse it. Put it in the dishwasher, it will come out squeaky clean and ready for you to use your other products such as spices or herbs or other condiments in them. Any utensil in the kitchen is bound to gather a layer of grime and dirt on it over a span of time, especially with Indian cooking. So that is why I always like to opt for glassware products because they are so much easier to clean, such as these glass jars that were holding different pulses or spices in my kitchen, and I have a layer of grime now on them, but I can simply put this in the dishwasher and it will come out so beautifully clean and shiny. You have to see it to believe it, and you can try it at your home as well. Talking about that extremely hard to clean grime and sticky dirt in the kitchen, we cannot miss this one. This is the filter to our chimney. Now this is another product that you can safely put in the dishwasher, and in fact if you do that regularly enough, you're not going to have this amount of gunk buildup. Yes, we have let it build up for some time. We have not put it in the dishwasher in quite some time, so we're going to do that now and I will show you the results after the wash. Lastly, since I'm also a mom to a really young child, there are many products that I would like to clean on a regular basis because she keeps putting everything in her mouth. So these include her teethers and pacifier kind of toys. So these are again safe plastics that you can put in the dishwasher. Of course, always read the packaging and the details before you put something in the dishwasher. But if they're safe to be cleaned or sterilized in boiling hot water, then they will be safe in the dishwasher as well. And that is an easy way to clean some of these toys rather than do them manually. And lastly, not all of these products need to be gathered at the same point of time, so you can wash them with your dishes. So certain products such as your sponges, dish scrubbing sponges can obviously go with your dishes. Certain other products also like glass jars can be put along with your dishes. If you have any hygiene concern that you want to wash them separately, then you can run a short cycle like a 20-minute cycle and wash it separately after collecting all similar items together. Overall, in my personal opinion, a lot of these products can also be washed in an efficient manner where you don't waste water by putting them in the dishwasher rather than washing them multiple times manually. So as you saw the before and after of all the products I put in the dishwasher, they are so easy to clean and they definitely come out very much hygienic and sterilized. So do give it a try if you have a dishwasher at home. If you don't have a dishwasher at home, let me know if you'd like to see a video of cleaning hacks using dishwasher detergent but without the dishwasher. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and I'll get back to you. As always, take care. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.